In a dusty corner of a kitchen, a vintage stand mixer from the 1970s quietly awaits its revival. With some creativity and modern tech, a new purpose is envisioned, transforming it into a smart kitchen appliance. First, the motor gets an upgrade, allowing for better efficiency. Then, sensors are integrated to monitor mixing times and speeds. The final touch? A sleek digital interface that connects via smartphone, allowing users to select recipes and control the mixer remotely. Now, this once-forgotten piece of history not only stirs nostalgia, but also meets today's culinary demands, proving that the past can blend seamlessly with the future.